Good morning, respected committee members, teachers, and all my dear child scientists from different states of India. Today, I am Mohan Malviya from Day Public School, Chhattisgarh, present over here to showcase our project Irrigation Master. So, before start telling you how this project works, I would like to tell you a brief story how we thought of making this project. So, one day I was sitting in my balcony and saw that in my garden the plants are dying. So when I discussed this problem with my mother, she told me that they are providing proper amount of sunlight and water to them. But when I discussed that how and why my plants are dying to my gardener, he told me that different plant needs different amount of water. So some are dying due to shortage of water and some are dying due to excess of water. So when I further discussed this problem with my team worker Priyank Bhaduri and with my science teacher, Mr. Ajay Sharma sir, he told me that let's make a project which could take data from the soil, analyze it and give water according to the need, neither more nor less. So with this basic principle we started our research. So the first thing we required was a brain which could analyze the data and give impulses according to the data. So we found out Arduino Uno, which was an open source software and hardware which can be programmed easily, and which is cheap, reliable and cost effective for this project. Now the next challenge was to get a product which could take data from the soil, and we found out this capacitive soil moisture sensor which works on dielectric technology and gives signal through this yellow wire is an analog wire which is put in the analog channel of the Arduino. Now here we can see the data. Now we were requiring the thing which could provide water to the plants, and it was easily available in the market, about 5 volts DC motors. Now to negotiate between Arduino and motors, we were requiring a product that could on the flow of current with the impulse of Arduino. So we found out our relay. So in this project we are using 2 channel 5 volts relay. So how our project works is, when this soil capacitive soil sensor is dipped in the soil, it gives the numeric reading to Arduino with this yellow wire. We can see here that the data is coming is more than 450. This means the soil is dry. Now as we on the motors, the water starts flowing, and we can see that now the motors are stopped because this soil is wet. We can see here that the sensor one data is less than 450. Now this shows that we can see both data are now less than 450. This shows that the soil is wet. Now with this project is self-sufficient, less the human efforts and works without humans. The Arduino works on the feedback loop as when the soil is dry, it gives a signal to relay on the motors. So we can see here in the circuit diagram, from this sensor the analog channel is coming, and from here to relay, and from when the soil is dry, it gives a impulse to Arduino. Arduino gets impulse to relay, and from relay to motor, the flow of current starts flowing from relay. Now our project is beneficial for the environment as it will promote agriculture activities and will save the water, give water according to the need. Now it will save electricity also, as the Arduino works on 3.3 volt. Arduino cannot work less than 3.3 volts. Now when we talk, we tested this project in different fields, like in my home garden, in schools, farms near Dhamtari. We consulted Mr. Gajendra Malviya, the territory manager of Godrej agro-based companies. He has given advisory letter and said that our project is beneficial for farmers. We consulted Mr. Gajendra Malviya, the territory manager of Godrej agro-based companies. He appreciated our project and sent a appreciation letter and said that this project is beneficial for farming activities. We also consulted to state manager of Godrej agro-based companies of Chhattisgarh, Mr. Vikas Havant, and he also has appreciated our project and said that this project will be very helpful for farming activities. From all this, I want to conclude that this project will be affecting environment positively, will reduce the water pollution and the usage of water, will save water, will save electricity, will do the less human efforts, and can grow the soils easy and can grow the plants easily. Thank you.